Okay. Where's Ben? There he is. I can't see it, the little screen. I'm staring in the sun. I'm staring in the sun.
Yeah, I can't see. But, oh, there we go.
Okay. So we got a call from a guy. He's in a Jeep XJ who's stuck in Clay Canyon. It's up by Goldfish Pond. We've done 4 or 5 vehicles out there recently in the last week or two. So should be kind of the same as the last few. He's said he's got open diffs, but he does have a winch. So we'll see how bad he's stuck. I'm guessing it's a little bit stucker than the last few since he has a winch. Should be a fun little snow drive. I think Mom and Dad are meeting us out there. We've got Ben's family, my family. We brought the wives today. So it should be a nice little adventure outing. So we'll have fun.
I said I went straight at the bathroom.
Okay, well, you're on a different road, and so we'll have to get this 4Runner unstuck, and then we'll come back to the bathrooms.
See, now what he's doing with this thing, I'm not going to be doing that with this thing.
Sheena.
Want me to get in it?
Yeah, it's your rig.
All right.
So you're up here to rescue your brother?
No, we're all up here to rescue a JK.
How long's he been up here? Just today?
Yeah. Go ahead and put it in reverse and turn it to the left a little bit. And 4 low. Does this have a rear locker?
I don't think it does.
No, he's gonna have to back up. Okay, turn left a little bit.
Okay, so this, right? No,
Yeah. Once it starts moving, it'll turn easy. Okay, go ahead and just give it a little bit of pressure. You're gonna have to back up, I think, Ben. Might, but once it starts moving, it might come out the rest of the way on its own. Give it a little gas. More.
There it goes.
Or maybe not. Left more. There you go, you're up on the road again.
Ah!
How much pressure you running in your tires?
I'm around 10. That's what we've got. You know what you're at?
Nope.
She was asking me
I
about
just
the
bought
whole
it
air
on
pressure thing, and I'm
Wednesday.
like, yeah, probably. I run 10 in my side-by-side and that.
He's the one that was driving up here.
Winter.
I wanted to turn around back there. Just FYI.
Come on.
So,
So I would probably nose up past where you were turning around, and then crank it all the way towards the driver's side to the left, and back in there.
back into the spot that we were just
Where you were just were. And then we'll see if we can nose it back out.
Okay.
And if not, we'll hook to the front of it and drag the nose around and get it turned around.
Okay, so just so.
If you want, I can do it.
Yeah. No, yeah. For sure. I freaking love this thing, by the way.
And free lessons.
Always adventures. It's like down here.
Hey, Pooch.
I think we're gonna...
What kind of dog is that? You know?
It's a Great Pyrenees.
So cute.
She and her brother, who our other brother has, were found up in the mountains a few summers ago. So they took one and he took the other.
We
And
got about
Yeah. Go ahead and back
probably
up.
where you guys could see us, and I'm like, yeah, I'm looking for a spot to turn around.
Yeah.
yeah.
Maybe have onboard air, you'll come under off the air.
Definitely need to get that.
Yeah. So if you do need to air down, if you go the other way out on the other. Onboard air compressor so you can air down, makes a world of difference. These tires, they're all right, you know, run them until they're wore out, but they're kind of a hard rubber, right? And so they don't conform and have as good a traction. Maybe find in mud and stuff, and on the dirt, even on the rocks they're fine. But you get in the sand or snow,
Any place to turn around?
and they just
Yeah, there's no place to turn around up there.
It just sucked up all the snow.
I'm just
Turn
kidding.
around right here.
There's a little bit of a field that's a nice flat area to turn around in, but it's deep and soft.
Okay.
So it's kind of sixes. This is already torn up a little bit and it's plenty wide.
Okay.
I say we just turn them around right here.
Okay.
So what I'm thinking, we just hook a kinetic.
Pull them up, let them back into there.
Well, there or here, wherever, and swing the nose around.
Yeah. Okay.
And then pull them back again, and then do it, or turn those two around.
The winch not work?
It does.
We got good G
So I
winch
got
here.
it right here.
Okay, for around 80 to 100 blocks.
We can use it.
Yeah, never had any problem.
Good fast. We got ones that are really good for 80 winch, but I've got
4 high, 4 low.
probably 4 low. Don't want to spin it much, but give it a little bit.
Ben, don't you want to drive this one and Caleb ride that
Yeah,
one?
we should have
You
you in
probably
it.
do that. We're just gonna go up just past this open spot.
Yeah, well, I'll get you up where I was parked,
Okay.
and then you can kind of pick where you want to go.
If it's snow.
Ben, you gonna drive the Jeep?
right now under your own power?
Yeah, it's on top right now.
Okay. Every time it hit, it pulled me out of the ruts.
Let's see.
Are you gonna get a little bit of a run, turn, and kind of swing the nose?
That's what I'm gonna try and do. I'm just worried about, I don't think the rear is gonna climb.
It's not gonna climb, but if
the front will
yeah,
swing around.
If you got a little momentum, I think it'll swing. And then we can pull it with the Montero.
Just pack it down. Maybe do it once more so it's good and packed. Yeah, it looks like
it's great. We love this. Dad, you want to stand right up there?
in case he doesn't stop his legs.
You got that right?
I got that. Yeah. That or Ben's stomach.
There you go. Stop there. That should be good.
It's a lot of fun.
I would put it in lock for pulling back. That way it doesn't spin it too much.
Gotta get it moving. It's kind of deep there.
Yeah. Turn left a little.
A little more.
A little more.
Okay,
Right there. Then don't move the tires. Just keep them right where they're pointed. Okay, go ahead. Come on. Don't dig holes.
Bump it some.
You're gonna have to bump it a little. Right there. Give her a good bump right there. Keep going, Ma. Okay, good.
Can't tell if I'm running the rope or not.
You're not yet.
Okay. It's got traction here.
Get Mom and Dad in the background too. Mom got to help out on that recovery. It was kind of fun.
Yep. Montero did good. Aired the tires down. It's got Patagonias on it and gets around pretty well in the snow, so it was able to go up there and
That snow
out.
is deceivingly difficult to drive in. With the 40s and the Patagonias, sometimes it makes it look easy when we're driving around, but that snow is it's difficult. It's you break through that first layer of crust, and it's just this powder that you can't grab traction out of. So
yeah, it's like flour. It just out from underneath the tires, no traction on it. But
so he got off the track just a little bit and got into the soft stuff, and he was just kind of done for. He winched a few times before we got there. That's how when he got up to where he was.
He would have had a tough time. He's not real experienced winching, so he wouldn't have had a real easy time getting it turned around. So
no, and to go up to where he could turn around, he probably would have been winching for 3 or 4 more hours.
Yeah, a long time.
So he was already up there stuck for a couple hours, so he called us. We were able to make quick work of it and get him turned around, and it was fun. On the way up, they found somebody else that needed help, so they pulled out another 4Runner. And
so you probably already watched that part before this.
I wasn't there. I was speeding up the road.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for watching.
See you on the next one.